Okay, so you have an awesome photo, and you need to remove the background so you can use it on a brochure or website. There are different ways to do this, but doing it right means making hand-drawn clipping paths using Photoshop's pen tool. This takes up hours of time you don't have. It's also like soul-destroyingly boring. So, do you sacrifice on quality? Bring in an expensive expert to do it in-house? Waste your own time? Or just head to clippingpathspecialist.com. Our expert team does all the work for you, with prices starting at just 39 cents. And we'll deliver most jobs within 24 hours. All the paths we create are 100% hand-drawn using pen tool, meaning you'll get a smooth, finished edge every time, ready for you to use in print or online. We're so confident you'll love the results. We offer a 100% satisfaction and money-back guarantee for your peace of mind. And because we're open 24 hours a day, you'll feel like you have your own in-house studio. You can even track your order progress online, so you can finally forget about editing and concentrate on the stuff you really want to be doing. Visit clippingpathspecialist.com today to find out more and get started.